This is the main bathroom of my investment property. But the crazy thing is, we're doing 4 bathrooms plus 2 powder rooms in just 12 weeks.
This is 2 in 12.
So on my side, our bathroom is a contemporary Australian style. So we're having gorgeous black tapware. The feature tile that I've chosen for our bathroom is a brick-inspired tile. And then next door, because it's more coastal Hamptons, it's this gorgeous blue-grey. And we're having chrome tapware. It's in keeping with the coastal theme that I'm going with.
Where we're standing now is actually the main bathroom. We've got shower heads up nice and high. Here we have double bowl vanity. This is the powder room. So what we've done, we've tried to sink everything inside the wall. With smaller sort of rooms, it's great to hide everything and just have clean tiles with the suite of the toilet coming out. Helps get more space. When you see it finished, I think you'll be surprised how big we can make it look.
The bathrooms are getting sheeted, so I really hope that the weather does hold out because the roof is not done yet. And that's the thing with Future Clip, everything happens at the same time, so we kind of need the weather to hold out. Looks pretty sketchy. Do you think it is going to rain today?
Rain is our worst enemy on a build that we're trying to do in 12 weeks. Especially when we're in the ground, it's early stages, we've got no roof on. I hate it. The risk of losing a week or even a day on a schedule this tight is definitely not an option for us.
All right, Catherine, we're in the main bathroom of your side, so very important time. We've got to set out all the waterproofing angle, which basically governs the finished product for the tiles. So your toilet's like that.
Yeah.
So you sort of, this is pretty much the last chance you get at a bathroom when it's in this state to make everything right. Once the tiler starts, it's all over. Check the waterproofing, check the falls. If everything's done properly, you'll never have an issue, but it's always good to get cross checks on that because it can cost you a fortune if things go wrong.
I really took my time selecting my vanities for my main bathrooms. I went all the way up to Central Coast to Lachlan Furniture to pick them up. Today is the first day I've seen the tiles laid in the ensuite in our forever home. The tiles from Di Lorenzo look amazing. And I'm really excited to see the feature wall tiles go up. Neil told me yesterday, he warned me, he's like, that is going to take forever, Catherine. I was like, sorry, but they're going to look good. So here we are in my bathroom, it's finally finished. I wanted to give you 3 quick tips on how to warm up your bathroom. Use some textured towels, use some beautiful greenery, but make sure it's real, and also don't forget your beautiful bath accessories. Although the bathrooms are exactly the same size, the tile selections make them look completely different. The contrast between the two sides is really starting to show. In contrast to next door, there are a few cost-saving options that I did make for this space. However, I did splurge on these double herringbone tiles because I knew they were going to make an impression on buyers.
The bathrooms are finished, it looks incredible. Catherine nailed it and I think we've done all right as well.
4 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, 2 laundries, all finished within 12 weeks. Pretty good achievement.
Pretty good. This is my master bedroom. While I get to make choices that are personal to me, next door I need to make decisions that appeal to the widest possible market. I have not even one piece of furniture and I've got 1 week to go.
All the reveals looking pretty nice. I think it's going to be a pretty epic room.